Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel, and thank you for joining me today for another daily guided meditation. In the last couple of days, we've had some really involved kind of visualization practices or sitting with what's going on, and today we're just going to breathe. This is a simple breath focus attention meditation. And for those who are just starting this daily guided meditation series, there's only two things that you need, and that is a comfortable seat, either on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or outside right on the ground, and then a place with as few distractions as possible. But today, really, we're just going to sit and breathe. We're going to take it relatively easy and just try to relax our mind and body and experience the present moment in our breath. So if you have your comfortable seat and you're placed with few distractions, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. Posture check. Spine tall and straight and shoulders slightly back to open up your lungs and your stomach and your windpipe so that you can really get some airflow going. Tuck your chin just a little. And notice how it feels to breathe right now. What do you notice physically as you inhale and exhale? If thoughts arise or you find your attention wandering somewhere else, then just come back to your breathing. That's the practice. Just always come back to your breathing in the present moment. If you find yourself slouching a little bit, then just straighten back up. And maybe pick one part of the breathing cycle to focus your awareness on, either what it feels like in your nostrils as you inhale, in your windpipe, the expansion of your lungs as you exhale through your mouth. Try to pinpoint one physical thing to watch as you breathe. If you find your attention wandering, then let whatever that is go and come back to your breathing. Slow, deep breaths. Maybe shift your awareness to another part of your body that experiences the breathing. And let your mind be at peace. Give your mind a rest from thoughts and worries and plans. And just breathe. If you find it difficult to just watch your breath, then you can count how long it takes to inhale and how long it takes to exhale. And let that counting help anchor your attention on your breath. Mind wanders, come back to your breathing. And for just one more minute, we breathe. One more minute to rest our mind, rest our bodies, and just be here in the moment. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. It might feel good to take a deep breath in and out and shake a little bit. Shake your shoulders and spine and hips. Thank you so much for joining me today for this daily guided meditation, and I hope that you're finding these useful. I'm hoping that it's helping you to establish your own daily practice and to help you relax a little bit and clear your mind before you settle in to sleep for the evening. And if you're looking for a topic in particular, make sure to search the playlist, because I have been labeling the titles in case you're looking for anything in particular. And yeah, I wish you a really good night, a deep sleep, and a wonderful day tomorrow. Thank you.